Everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we would do a Christmas eye look using my new Lunar Beauty Siren Sunset palette. This will probably be the last official look I do on this channel. I will be using this palette a whole lot more. I'll be using them in Chatty Get Ready With Me's, but I'm not going to just focus on this palette anymore. This will be the last look. I've done the purple look, the blue look. Today we're going green. We're going to play in that area and we're going to make a Christmas holiday look, and I'm excited about it. So let's get started. I have already done all of my face except for my lips. I like to do my lips last. One, if I'm working on my face, I don't want to accidentally touch my lips and maybe, you know, mess up my lips, my lipstick. And two, I just want to see how the look, my eye look comes out before I decide on my lips. So, today, this is definitely a tutorial. This is not a Chatty Get Ready With Me. So, I am starting with the color Shell right here. I'm going to take Shell. I've already put the primer on my eyes. And if you're wondering, the primer I am using is my matte paint pot in Painterly. There, you can see I have Painterly and I have soft ochre, and I kind of rotate them. No particular way. I just grab one. I'll use it this time. Next time I'll grab the other one, and I use them interchangeably. So yeah. So we're going to set the primer on the upper portion of the eye, not right on the lid. I like to leave the lid tacky because I love shimmer. If you're new here, every eye look I do has shimmer. I wear some sort of shimmer or glitter every day of my life because life's too short not to, right? Right. Alright, next. For my transition shade, I am going to go in with the color Low Tide right here. It looks darker there than it does when I look down at it, but that's it, Low Tide. That's the shade I'm going to use. Got it on my fluffy brush. I did not clean it out. I will zoom in so you guys can see. I did put drops in my eyes, so I do remember that. Let's see, get my mirror set here. And I'm just going to sweep that in the transition area. There we go. There we go. I like that. So for my crease, I'm going to go in with Merman. It's a dark, rich green, velvety looking green. I'm going to put it on the outer corner of my eye. And I think I'm going to do something different today. I'm going in the inner corner with it as well. I usually do the same steps with my eyes, but let's mix it up today. We'll do it on this eye as well. Inner and outer. Leaving the middle open. Now with that same color, just barely tapping in, I'm going to work it into my crease. All the way across. I continue to layer, build the color, and then to blend the color. I lay down my color in the center here because I always like to start in the center and work outwards. I like to build up sometimes the outer portion of my eye, this outer section. I like to build that up too, but if I start there, sometimes I feel like I do too much. So I always start in the center and work my way out to the edges. And like I said, layer, blend until you get the look you're going for. You can make it as smoky and deep as you want, or you can keep it a little lighter. My thing is making sure that both sides match. I think we all have that issue, making sure both sides match. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. I'm going to take a detail brush. Find one, make sure it's clean. Just a little detail brush. I'm going back in Merman, and I'm going to go under the lower lash line. Right here. And I want to blend it out a little more than usual. I'm just going to kind of keep going back and forth. Now I'm going to take the same detail brush. I wiped it out a little bit. And I'm going to go into the color Ariel. It's a beautiful matte green. It looks maybe just a tad bit darker than a Kelly green. It is just a pretty shade. I'm going to layer it over top of the Merman. Just a little bit. I think I'm going to go both sides with that as well. So our Merman is going to be on the edges for sure. And then Ariel will be next. And by overlapping, you're blending those colors and marrying them together. There we go. I'm going to take Ariel a little bit, and I'm going to go also underneath this lower lash line and kind of blend. I'm just going to stick to the outer portion here and just kind of blend it out a little. Because I am doing a holiday look, so if I was doing this look, it's probably to go to a holiday party. Or even, you know, family get-togethers or something like that. I like it. I like it. I like how it's looking. Next, I'm going to make sure my finger is clean. I'm going into Water Nymph, which is a beautiful green shiny. Just goodness, look at that. Do you see that? I kind of overlap Ariel a little bit so we get it all kind of blends. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Yes. I'm gonna, on my finger, I'm gonna do my upper highlight up here as well. I'm going to take my fluffy brush, just pick it up and just kind of blend in here, just so that highlighter is just not overtaking the upper portion of my eyelid. There we go. Yes, yes, yes. I'm going to clean out my detail brush. Well, I probably don't need to. I'm going to go back in Water Nymph. I'm going to put it as an inner corner highlight. There we go. Now, I'm going to clean out this detail brush because something is just in my brain. It's saying put some gold in here. So, I'm going to go with Coastline. That's that gold right there. Coastline is not a multi-chrome in this palette, but it is beautiful. I'm taking it on my detail brush. I'm going under the lower lash line, and I'm going to just put it on this inner portion. Just like that. Just like that. Oh, that is so pretty. Let me take a look and see, do I want to do anything else? Okay, there we go. I decided just not to show you putting all the mascara on because that is just, I think, very boring. It's boring to me to watch people put mascara on. So, I like how these eyes turned out. If you're interested in my lips, my lip liner is by Melt, and it is in, where is the color? Corazon. And then the lipstick I'm wearing is MAC Ruby Woo. It's the matte finished Ruby Woo. I like it. I like it. I think it turned out really good. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I enjoy doing eyeshadow tutorials. I think my channel, I'm going to do a lot more of those. You'll probably see less hauls because I am purchasing less in my life. I'm going to use what I have. I'm only buying what I absolutely just calls to me, and I'm enjoying that. I'm not buying everything just kind of looks, oh, that looks like fun, I think I'm going to buy it. I'm thinking before I purchase now. And I think that's good for me. So, guys, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you would like to see me do more tutorials, let me know. Give me thumbs ups if you want to see more tutorials. It is really helping out my channel. I appreciate all of you who do give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up don't cost anything. Subscribing doesn't cost anything. Just hit that button, and I would truly appreciate it. Please, everybody, leave your comments down below. I love reading them, and I do answer each and every one. Sometimes it takes me a couple days to get to them, and I am sorry for that. But sometimes life, hey, I'm a mom. I run this house. I'm a breast cancer survivor who does not have all of her health back, but I'm working strongly towards it. So, guys, yeah. Thanks for watching, and love you all. Happy holidays. I'll see you next time.